Hi guys, if you are doing drop shipping using Shopify and if you have your design ready and if you want to import a product from a third party site or the vendor to your website, then how you can do that? So this is the front of our Shopify website, right? And to find the product we will use CJdropshipping. This is very big site from where you can find the products, right? And here when you will come to this site, let's say when you come to the home page, here it will show something like this at the sidebar, right? And in your website dashboard, you can how you can install the CJ dropshipping. So here you have to install a app. So in that app you will find CJ dropshipping and you have to install this app, right? And then what you will do, you will come to the home page of this website and then you will find some product. Let's say let me go to women's clothing, right? And let's say anything like women jeans. Let me import this. So here you will find some of the product, right? So these are very weird jeans, but no issue. Let me import this. Let me press this list. Here you will find list and add to my products, right? So here you have to press it, the list one, right? Let me press the list one, and here it will be reconnect you with the product, their product page, and it will ask like how you want to enter in your shop. As it is already connected, here you need to connect your Shopify store from here e-commerce platform Shopify. As I have already connected this from my store, so it's like showing my store here, right? Now here you can if you have collections, already created collections, for your information, it is just category. Like if you have experience of working with WooCommerce in WordPress, so there we create product category. Here it is called collections, right? So here I have already one collection named woman, and you can give some tags here. If you want to charge tags, then check it out here, and that's it, right? So if you have any vendor in your store, so it will show like if you have different vendor, right? So let me sync it again, and so I don't have any vendor, I am the lone one who is selling the products. So list it now, press the list it now. So now let's again let me go to our product list. Let me go, and where we will find it, here below my product. Hi, I have a short information for you. If you are willing to create your own online store, and if you are willing to sell online, and if you want to build your store in Shopify, WordPress, Wix, or any of the platform, you can connect with me. I will help you out on creating your own online store. Thank you. So in this simple way you can add the product here, but it's not finished here. You have to go to variant pricing, and in the variant pricing you have to enter the product price, how much you want to charge, right? Here you will get a button, a recommended listing price. Here you can check this one as well, but if you want to increase the price, you can increase the price from here, okay? Then image and videos. If you have image and videos regarding your product, you can put it here, right? And it will be shown here, okay? Other is description is shown here. You want to edit, you can edit, right? So in this way you can put the product in your store. Now you have to, after putting the price, you have to press list it now. So I have already created a listing in my store. So here when you will go to store and you will refresh it, you will get a new product like this, which we have recently installed, recently imported in our store. When you will click it, you will go to the product page and you will check, you can see all the product images. Now here if you want to edit your or you want to make changes in your product page, you can do so, right? So in this way you can import the listing from CJ Dropshipping to your Shopify store. Thank you.